everyone, it's Emmy Hall at TFL Car. Now we're here with the 2015 Dodge Charger lineup. Now we can't give you driving impressions until next week.
Emmy, why can't we give them driving impressions?
Because they're embargoed until next week. Now, if you're an expert on all things Hellcat, you know that this car is going to give you 707 horsepower, accessible with that very special red key, and a top speed of 204 miles per hour, which makes the 2015 Dodge Charger Hellcat the fastest four-door sedan on the planet. Bar none, no excuses, the absolute fastest one.
How fast, Emmy?
204 miles per hour.
What's one word to sum that up?
Awesome.
Bridge, right?
Break of the bridge, please. You should be doing about a $120.
Yeah.
Oh, you broke way before the bridge.
I know.
But the elevation change and everything. So we have hydraulic power steering on the Hellcat.
Oh, really?
But we actually have electric power steering on the Apaches. And what's funny is everybody likes to bitch about electric power steering, but it's really come a long ways. And electric power steering is pretty cool. And we have that part of our modes on the Apaches. Bam! 143.
Yeah.
No sweat.
So I'm in the back seat of the new Charger SRT, and they've got, oh my God, my butt fits in here. Car seats, special car seats for your kids. There's a cup holder, and this is awesome because then you can have your kids, and you can also make sure that you're gonna take them places and have fun in your SRT Hellcat. Oh my God, this is so uncomfortable.
Who would have thunk, Emmy? Look at that.
That's awesome.
Hellcat.
Look at a little like 8-point or 5-point harness with the Simpson. That's so cool.
And our own Emmy fits. Okay, I mean, you know how Nathan does Nathan fit?
Yeah.
Well, now you've got your own, does Emmy fit?
Right. Does Emmy fit her butt in the car seat?
Check it out, y'all. It's the new Charger Pursuit police car.
Boo, boo, boo! Fashion police, pull over! Is this what it feels like to have all the power in the world? This is really awesome. Look, I got my little computer thing down here. I can
those
look
are
up
different kinds of sirens, see? Yeah, look at the different kinds. You've got like all kinds. There's a
takedown.
whale.
There's a takedown siren. Oh my God, that's the coolest thing ever. There's a rad siren. That would be for me.
Don't do it.
Oh my God, I
You're
know.
a journalist, you're gonna get a lot of attention.
Like I don't already?
Emmy, did you hit the button?
I did. I totally hit the button.
I told you not to hit the button.
They're gonna get so mad at me here.
60, empty road ahead of me. Let's just see how it launches, huh? And there's 60. Oh my God.
Hi, Rob. How are you?
Pretty good.
Rob is a product development specialist, and I'm here in the 2015 Dodge Charger Police Pursuit. Is that the name of it?
Yep.
Police Pursuit. So what can you tell me about this car while I try to manhandle it around the track here? No, wait! Wait!
Driving impressions are embargoed.
That's right, until next week. So be sure to come back next week when we give you the full track video. But for now, this is Emmy Hall saying thanks so much for watching. Be sure to go to tflcar.com for more news, views, and real world reviews. And hey, catch us out on all the social medias. Thanks for watching. Bye.